Om. कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकि कोकिलं वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिं यः पिबन् सततं राम चरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्थं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम् औष्पदीकृतवाराशिं मशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायण महामाला रत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजम् अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशम् अक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम् मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वादात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं वाल्मीकि गिरिसम्भूता रामसागरगामिनी पुनादि भुवनं पुण्या रामायण महानदी वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसि जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसादासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना आपतामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहं रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः मङ्गलं कौसलेन्द्राय महनीय गुणाब्धये चक्रवर्ती तनूजाय सार्वभौमाय मङ्गलम्। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। One of the great qualities of Lakshmana, parastream na pashyati. He doesn't see anybody's wife. And knowing this, Tara had said, I know that you don't see, but to meet Sugriva, you have to come to his Antapura. And Satam Taravalokanam Mitra Bhavena Achalam Idi Katita. Achalam, it is not Chala, it is not a deceitful. Tara Avalokanam Mitra Bhavena. When one is having a friendly look, then it is considered by the men of real understanding that it is okay. Therefore, she invites him into the abode of Sugriva. We'll read again from 62 onwards. Taraya chambu. Taraya chapyanugnataha.
तारया चाभ्यनुज्ञातः
Tvaraya vapi choditaha.
त्वरया वापि चोदितः
Prabhivesha mahabahu.
प्रविवेश महाबाहुः
Abhyantaramarindamaha.
अभ्यन्तरमरिन्दमः
Tata sugrivamasīnam.
ततः सुग्रीवमासीनं
Kanchane paramasane.
काञ्चने परमासने
Maharhastaranopete.
महार्हास्तरणोपेते
Tadashaditya sannibam.
ददर्शादित्यसन्निभम्
Divyavarana chitrangam.
दिव्याभरणचित्राङ्गम्
Divyarupam yashasvinam.
दिव्यरूपं यशस्विनम्
Divyamalyambaradaram.
दिव्यमाल्याम्बरधरम्
Mahindram iva durjayam.
महेन्द्रमिव दुर्जयम्
Hiranyavaranamatma. Hiranyavaranamalyabihi.
दिव्याभरणमाल्याभिः
Pramadadibhi samavritam.
प्रमदाभिः समावृतम्
Samrabdha. Samrattadara praktaksho.
संरब्धतररक्ताक्षो
Babuvantaka
बभूवान्तकसन्निभः
Rumam tu vira parirabhyagadam.
रुमां तु वीरः परिरभ्यगाढम्
Varasanasto varahema varnaha.
वरासनस्थो वरहेमवर्णः
Tadashta saumitrim adina sattvam.
ददर्श सौमित्रिम् अदीनसत्त्वम्
Vishala Savishalanetram.
विशालनेत्रः स विशालनेत्रम्
Taraya cha abhyanugnataha. Taraya cha api choditaha. Mahabahuhu arindamaha abhyantaram prabhivesha. Abhyantaram prabhivesha, the inner chamber of the palace, Kishkindha palace of Sugriva, he entered. Taraya cha abhyanugnataha, being already been invited by Tara, as well as to Tvarayavapi Chodita. Also asked him to quickly enter. Tvaraya, quickly, being requested to go in. So therefore, he proceeded to enter there. Tataha, there. Thereafter, what he saw there, Dadarsha, he saw that what? Sugrivam Asinam, seated there. Asane, in what is Paramasane Kanchane, in the golden seat. Maharhas Taranopede, with the most beautiful, most costly spread on that. Whom he saw, that is Sugriva, who is shining like Aditya Sannibham Samam Sadarsham, like that of the sun shining there. Why? Divya Abharana Chitra Angam. His whole body was covered with varieties of divine divine ornaments. Divya Rupam Yashasvinam. Being a king, obviously, he had all that brilliance of the king, the stature and the luster of the king. And also he was wearing most beautiful golden ornaments, golden mala also. Divya Malya Ambaradaram Mahendram Ibadurjaya. Like the Mahendra, Indra, residing in the heavens, in the same way, the unconquerable as of now, Durjayam Mahendram, unconquerable Indra, in the same way, Sugriva was sitting there. Dilya Abharana Malyabhi Pramadadibi Samavratam. And he was surrounded by women who are all Pramadabhi, women who are also wearing very fine ornaments on their body. Samradha Rakta Akshaha Babuhu Arindamaha. Looking at all these things, Lakshmana not only but angry, but his eyes were red shot. Why red shot? Not that he drank. He was so upset because this fellow is enjoying all the luxuries available on the world. Like an Indra sitting in the heaven with all the women around, with all the luxuries, comfortably sitting in his own palace, while my brother who helped him to get all these things is rotting in the sun and the moon, rotting in the rain and the sun, in the forest with barely any comfort there. Obviously, thinking like this, his eyes would be red hot only. Samrakta Raksha Samdatta Raktaksha Samrata. And on the top of it, he was Sugriva was tightly embracing Ruma, his wife. Rumam tu viraha parirabhya gadam, holding her very dearly, tightly. Varasanastha, sitting on a beautiful seat. Varahema varna, with an absolute purely made of gold. Saumitrim dadarsha, he saw. Adina Sattvam. He the one who is Lakshmana is seen by him. Vishala Netram Saumitrim Adina Sattvam. So Adina means dependent. But what is the nature of Lakshmana? Adina. Mind is to be independent. It is always necessary. A brilliant, wise person must have independent thinking. In all aspects, one should be independent. Any dependency is a weakness. Except on the Lord, even Lord likes the devotee to become not slave. He must be independent. That independence alone can give him true freedom. So, that Adina Sattva means Sattva is Manaha. So, the mind which is free, independent, strong, Adina Sattvam Saumitrim, Vishala Netram, who saw Vishala Netra Dadarsha. Obviously, here Vishala Netra is given to both of them. Both adjective to both Lakshmana as well as Sugriva. And even in Bhagavad Gita Dhyana Shlokam, you see, there Vishala Netra is given there. The idea is that the eye of that wise person is Vishala, in the sense, he does not come to narrow conclusions. Vishala means wide, widespread. So meaning his vision is widespread, not the eyes vision. Whereas in the case of Sugriva, it is said Vishala Netra because even though he was drinking, unlike Tara, he is very steady. Vishala Netra, because he is not as much, even though he might have drunk, but his attention is not gone. He is still very alert. That is to indicate that he is still available for conversation. इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकि आदिकाव्ये किष्किन्धा काण्डे त्रयत्रिंशः सर्गः 33. Now Lakshmana entered the lion's cage. Now he is a direct combat. No more Tara is necessary. So obviously there Sugriva, having seen Lakshmana, he has to answer him, get up and answer him. Tama pradihadam ruddam pravishtam. Tama pravidaham ruddam.
Tama pratihatam kruddham.
Pravishtam purushashabam.
Pravishtam purusharshabham.
Sugrivo Lakshmanam drishtva.
Sugrivo Lakshmanam drishtva.
Babhuva vyatitendriyaha.
Babhuva vyatitendriyaha.
Ruddam nishvasamanam tam.
Kruddham nishvasamanam tam.
Pradiptam iva tejasa.
Pradiptamiva tejasa.
Pradurvyasana santaptam.
Bhraturvyasana santaptam.
Drishtva dasaradatmajam.
Drishtva dasharatatmajam.
Utpapada harisreshto.
Utpapata harishreshto.
Hitva sauvarnamasanam.
Hitva savarnamasanam.
Mahan Mahendrasya yatha.
Mahan Mahendrasya yatha.
Palankrita iva dvajaha.
Svalankrita iva dvajaha.
Utpadantam anupet. Right. Utpadantam anupet.
Utpatantam anupeta.
Ruma prabhutayah sriyah.
Ruma prabhrutaya striyaha.
Sugrivam gagane purnam.
Sugrivam gagane purnam.
Chandram taragana iva.
Chandram taragana iva.
Samrakta nayana shriman.
Samraktanayana Shriman.
Panchachara kritanjalihi.
Sanchachara Kritanjalihi.
Babhuva vastitastasya tatra.
Babhuva vastitat tatra.
Kalpavruksho mahaniva.
Kalpavruksho mahaniva.
Rumad dvidiyam sugrivam.
Rumadvitiyam sugrivam.
Nari madhyagatam stitam.
Nari madhyagatam stitam.
Abravit lakshmana kruddaha.
Abravil Lakshmana kruddaha.
Tataram sashinam yata.
Sataram shashinam yatha.
Ruddam tam. Ruddam, that one who is so angry. And Purusharshabam, the best among the men. And Apradihatam. Pratihatam means stopped. One who can be checked or stopped and controlled. Apradihatam, one who cannot be controlled. Who is really, really happy. Because he has already entered the chamber. Is not stopped by anybody. Apradihatam. Sugriva would not have expected this. Suddenly Lakshmana appearing in his own chamber. And he sent Tara to encounter him. And when he heard that he has arrived at the gates, he never thought that Tara will make such a mistake, that he will directly ask him to come inside. That he is very upset about that. Lakshmanam drishtva Sugrivaha vyatita indriyaha babhuva. Vyatita agitated, indriyaha senses. He became completely agitated senses while looking at Lakshmana. Nishvasamanam, one who is heavily sighing, kruddam, angry, tam, pradiptamiva tejasa. With his brilliance, he is shining, burning there. Why he is burning? Bhradru vyasana santaptam. Dasharathatmajam. He is only, Lakshmana's mind is only going back to Rama. How much Rama is bearing with this fellow. 4 months are over. And still he didn't do a thing. And Rama is not, is not very unhappy about what is going on. But he himself, who could have easily taken his bow and arrow, could have come here and finished him off. But knowing very well that the necessary help is available only with Sugriva, with all his patience, he sent Lakshmana as a messenger only. He told, don't ever take a weapon with you. Meaning, use the weapon. You are just a messenger. So go and find out. So much of patience. At that very thought of Rama's condition brought him great agitation. Bhratur Vyasanat Antaptam. And he immediately got up there. Jumped as Utpapat. Very straight. Hitva Sauvarna Masanam. Leaving aside his golden seat, he just jumped. And that very jumping looked like what? Mahendrasya Dvajaha Iva. Mahan Mahendrasya Yata Dvajaha Iva. Like the very flag post of Indra. Sualankritaha. Very well decorated. He jumped. And meaning he stood out. That's what it means. So the very well decorated Indra's Dvaja, it will stand out from all other. If you see the picture of the UN Council, they put all the flags of different countries representing different countries. Obviously, US flag will be the tallest because you are holding the meeting in US. Obviously, it will be in the center and big. They always want to show themselves as big. That way, Indra's Dvaja will be always big. So he stood out. Ruma Prabhudayaha, all the women who are there, Striyaha, Utpadantam Anupedu. They also jumped out of their seats, following Sugriva, Ruma, its wife, and all others. And when he is there standing there with all his women around him, how does he look like? Gagane Purna Chandram Taragana Iva Sugrivam. Like that of a moon which is surrounded by so many stars. They are not normal stars, they are Hollywood stars. Kishkindha wood stars. Kishkindha stars, all the women there. And obviously, they are also in a palace living, so they are also various beautiful ones only. Vali might have picked them up one by one from different places. They are, international. So Gagane Purna Chandram Taragana Iva Sugrivam. And Samrakta Nayanaha Shriman Sanchachara Kritanjali. He understood that Lakshmana must be properly respected, so he saluted him with his eyes obviously red because of the intoxication. Avastitaha tatra kalpavruksha mahaniva babuva. And there he saw the Lakshmana standing there. And what is he seeing there? Lakshmana was standing there like a kalpavruksha. Kalpavruksha is considered as the wish-fulfilling, wish-yielding tree in the heavens, which is considered to be very strong and wide and very powerful. So, Mahan Kalpavruksha Iva Babu Avastitaha Tatra. There he was standing there. Kritanjalihi Babuva, that is to be understood. he became very saluting to that Lakshmana who is standing like that of the Kalpavruksha. And Nari Madhyagatam Sitam Sugrivam Srumat Dvidiyam. And when he saw, Lakshmana saw him in the midst of all the women, Dvitiyam Chandramiva, Shashinam Yata, as it's written. Dvitiyam Shashinam Yata, as like another moon. See, interesting thing is, earlier, you see, Aditya Sannibam was written. Previous, you see that in verse number 63. And here he says, Yata Shashinam. What is what is it now? By himself, he was like a sun. When he is with his own women, he'll become a moon. Interesting. By himself, he was like the Aditya Sannibam, Sugriva. But when he's surrounded by all the women, then he became dull. See, that's what happens. By yourself, you are there, you are like a strong person. But with your own indulgences and this and that, Nayogam Sashinam Yata. Sataram Sashinam Yata. Lakshmanaha tam stitam drishtva Ruddaha Abravit. He became so upset, angry again. And all the women, he's just wasting his time. Sattvabhijana sampannaha
Tattvabhijana sampannaha
Sanukrosho jitendriyaha
Sanukrosho jitendriyaha
Kritagnya satyavadi cha
Kritagnat tatyavadi cha
Raja loke mahiyate
Raja loke mahiyate
Yastu raja stito dharme
Yastu raja stito dharme
Mitranam upakarinam
Mitranam upakarinam
Mithya pratishtam kurute
Mithya pratignyam kurute
Ko nrishamsastadastadaha
Ko nrishamsastaratatah
Shadamashvanrute hanti
Shatamashvanrute hanti
Sahasram tu gavanrute
Sahasram tu gavanrute
Atmanam swajanam hanti
Atmanam swajanam hanti
Purushanrute
Purushanrute
Purvam kritartho mitranam
Purvam krutardho mitranam
Natat prati karodiyah
Natat pratikaroti yaha
Kritagnaha sarvabhutanam
Krutagnaha sarvabhutanam
Tavadya plavageshvara
Tavadya plavageshvara
Gitoyam brahmana shlokaha
Gitoyam brahmana shlokaha
Sarvaloka namaskritah
Sarvaloka namaskritah
Drishtva kritagnam kritena
Drishtva kritagnam kruddhena
Tannibodha plavangama
Tannibodha plavangama
Gogne chaiva surapecha
Gogne chaiva surapecha
Chore bhagnas vrate tata
Chore bhagnavrate tatha
Nishkritir vihita sadbihi
Nishkrutir vihita sadbihi
Kritagne nasti nishkritihi
Krutagne nasti nishkritihi
Sattva abhijana sampannaha Raja, a king who has been endowed with proper positive virtues. Sanukroshaha, one who has the anukroshaha, compassion. Jitendriyaha, one who has his senses under control. Kritagnaha, person of gratitude. The word should be properly understood. Kritagnaha, kritagnaha. Kritagnaha means kritam janati kritagnaha. One who knows what others have done and therefore is a person of gratitude. Kritam gnanti hanti. One who destroys means one who does not repay for the gratitude, repay the for the actions performed, meaning he destroyed gratitude, he does not have gratitude, then such a person is called kritagna. That's only difference, nya and gna. So here he says kritagna, a raja who is grateful, one who has the good virtues, one who is compassionate, self-controlling. Saraja loke mahiyate. In this world, he will be very well known. On the other hand, yastu raja stitaha adharme, one who is staying in the non-virtuous adharma, mitranam anupakarina. Mitranam, is it written upakarinam or anupakarina?
Upakarinam.
Upakarinam mitranam. Okay. Upakarinam mitranam mithya pradignyam kurute. The one who has really done, the friend, one who has really helped him, to such a friend, if this king had given a false promise. Mithya pradignyam kurute mitranam upakarinam. Such a person, ko nishamsaha, nishamsataraha, tataha, than him who can be a greater evil. Nishamsatara is the most evil, is such a raja. And indirectly saying that is what you are. You have given your promise to a person who has helped you a lot, and that promise is false. In such a way, that is not a promise. It is called compromise. You know what the word compromise is what? Same well spelling, only you add com. Compromise, meaning you did not fulfill your promise. See, it is said, it is equal to, killing 100 horses. So fall from is equal to that of killing 100 horses. Shatam ashwa anrute hanti. Anrita. Rita means truth. Anrite, when it is a false promise, it is equal to killing 100 horses. Equal to killing 1,000 cows. Gavan rite sahasram. It is as though killing 1,000 cows. And it is equal to that of Atmanam Swajanam Hanti Purushaha. Purushanrade, when he is that giving a false promise, it is equal to that of not only killing himself, but killing all his own people. Atmanam Swajanam Hanti Purushaha, Purushanrade. Purvam Mitranam Purvam Kritartaha. Na tat pradikarodhiyaha, one who does not repay for the benefits that he has received from his own friend. Mitranam purvam kritartaha na tat pradikarodhiyaha kritagna. See that way the word. Kritagna, he is ungrateful. Sarvabhutanam, among all the beings, a Plavageshwara, Saha Vadya. Vadya means subject to be killed. He is fit to be killed. Antum arhasi. Arhati. To be killed. Vadya. Vadya means to be punished or to be killed. It is not, I am saying this. Brahmana shlokaha gita. I am. It is already stated by men of wisdom. Brahma's son himself has said this. Sarvaloka namaskritaha. Yes, Sarvaloka namaskritaha shlokaha. This shloka which is very well revered. What is that? Plavangama Tanniboda. Please listen to me what I am going to say. Krishnam Kriddena Drishtva. Seeing a person who is of this kind, who has destroyed his, he has become ungrateful. This particular song, the statement has been made by Brahma's son himself, and that I am going to tell you. Please hear this. Gogne chaiva surape cha chore bhagnavrade tada nishkritihi vihita sadbihi. Sadbihi tat satpurushaihi. By the men of wisdom, definitely there is a what is called as what is that word for that? Nishkriti is expiation. Expiation is the word used. Act of forgiveness, or what you call it as today's world, Prayaschitta. Prayaschitta. I think English word that is given as expiation. Expiation is also stated for those who have killed a cow, Kogne, Surape, one who is drunk, Chore, for a thief, Bhagna Vrate, one who has broken his own vows. There is always a Nishkriti, expiation was spoken by them men of wisdom. But Kridakne, for the person who has become ungrateful, Nishkritihi Nasti. There is no real expiation for it. No real prayaschitta. There is no excuse for such an individual. So Lakshmana looked at him and said, what do you want me to do right now? How do I punish you right now? The best way to punish a king, or a best way to punish a man of so-called status, is to insult him in front of others. You don't need to kill him. Just to tell him how stupid and foolish he is in front of all people, especially with his own people, relatives and friends. Make him feel so humiliated. Not in private, in front of everybody, so that only he will realize what he has done is wrong. So he is very, very, very strongly using words here now. Anaryastvam kritagnascha.
Anaryastvam kritagnascha.
Mityavadi cha vanara.
Mityavadi cha vanara.
Purvam kritartho ramasya.
Purvam krutartho ramasya.
Natat pratikaroshi tat yat.
Natat pratikaroshi yat.
Nanu nama kritarthena.
Nanu nama krutarthena.
Tvaya ramasya vanara.
Tvaya ramasya vanara.
Sitaya margane yatnaha.
Sitaya margane yatnaha.
Kartavyaha kritamicchata.
Kartavya kritamicchata.
Sattvam gramyeshu bhogeshu.
Sattvam gramyeshu bhogeshu.
Sakto mitya pradishravaha.
सक्तो मिथ्या प्रतिश्रवः
न त्वां रामो विजानीते
न त्वां रामो विजानीते
सर्पं मण्डोकराविणं
सर्पं मण्डूकराविणं
महाभागेन रामेण
महाभागेन रामेण
पापकरुणवेदिना
पापः करुणवेदिना
हरिणां प्रापितो राज्यम्
हरिणां प्रापितो राज्यम्
त्वं दुरात्मा महात्मना
त्वं दुरात्मा महात्मना
कृतं चेन्नातिजानीषे
कृतं चेन्नातिजानीषे
राघवस्य महात्मनः
राघवस्य महात्मनः
तद्यस्त्वं निशितेर्बाणैः
सद्यस्त्वं निशितैर्बाणैः
हतो द्रक्ष्यसि वालिनं
हतो द्रक्ष्यसि वालिनं
न ससङ्कुचितः पन्था
न स संकुचितः पन्था
येन वाली हतो गतः
येन वाली हतो गतः
समये तिष्ठ सुग्रीव
समये तिष्ठ सुग्रीव
मा वालि प्रथमन्वगाः
मा वाली पथमन्वगाः
न नूनमिक्ष्वागुवरस्य कार्मुक
नन् नन्
नूनमिक्ष्वाकुवरस्य कार्मुकात्
ननूनमिक्ष्वाकुवरस्य कार्मुकात्
शरांश्च तान् पश्यसि वज्रसन्निभान्
चरांश तान् पश्यति वज्रतन्निभान्
ततः सुखं नाम निषेवसे सुखी
ततः सुखं नाम विषेवसे सुखी
न रामकार्यं मनसाप्यवेक्षसे
न रामकार्यं मनसाप्यवेक्षसे
त्वम् अनार्य. The word Arya means one who is noble with noble virtues. Anarya. You know, the interesting thing is this word Arya is very, even today's word it is used. Arya is a person of noble virtues and nobility, leading a sattvic life, or a person who is standing by his duty is called Arya. It need not be only Brahmana, it can be a Kshatriya, it can be a Vaishya, Shudra, who it can be. But one who has self-integrity is what is called Arya. All four Varnas are Aryas. And you are not even fit to be even called as Arya. So that's Anaryahatvam. Kritagnaha, ungrateful. Mithyavadi, speaking only false. Evanara. Ramasya purvam kritartaha na tat pradikaroshi tat yat. In case you are not going to fulfill, you are already like that, and having you completed what you wanted, you are not doing tvam na karoshi. You have not done anything for in return to Rama. And indeed, Nanu, Kritarthena Nama, in the name of Kritartha, He Vanara Toya Ramasya Sitaya Margani Yatna Kartavya. You know, you need to help definitely. You're supposed to Kritamichata, what you wanted to do in retaliation and in return to what you have received from Rama, you are supposed to have helped Rama to find the way Sita was gone, Sita has gone. That yatnaha kartavya. But what you are doing? Tvam prapyeshu bhogeshu saktaha. You have become so caught up in your recently acquired all the luxuries and pleasures. Mithya pradishravaha. Mithya apradishvara. And you are also having a false situation here. You have proved yourself to be false in your promise. And Ramaha tvam na vijanite. He does not know who you are really. He still thinks that you are good. You know what it is? You are like a snake making a sound like a frog. It's interesting. Snake making the sound like a frog. How can the snake will make like sound like a frog? You know what? Snake has opened the mouth, frog has gone in. It's half eaten, and that frog is making noise. It will look like for a person who's looking at it, the frog is croaking, but actually the snake is already eaten up, half of it. In the mouth of the snake, the frog is making noise. It looked like the frog is making noise, but actually it is caught up in the mouth of the snake. In the same way, you are appearing to be good, but you are caught up where? Caught up in your most evil nature. And Rama does not know this. He is sitting in the forest thinking that, oh, poor thing, poor fellow, after a long time, Sugriva had been able to go back to his kingdom. Probably he's busy administering things. For the Vali might have devastated the place. He being an autocrat. And so he probably, but he did not know that what you are doing here. Sarpa Manduka Ravinam. Ravanam means Ravati means making sound. Ravinam Sarpam. Manduka Ravinam. Ramena Mahabhagena. By Rama, who is of the great virtuous Rama, Karuna Vedina, out of his compassion, Mahatmana, by that great soul, Rajyam Tvam Prapitah, Harinam Rajyam Tvam Prapitah. This kingdom you have got, monkey kingdom. But who are you? Papa. You're a sin. Not you are sinful. You are sin. See, Papi is sinful person. He doesn't say Papi. You are Papa. You are the very sin itself. There's no other word I can give you there. Anarya, like that, you are a Papa. You are the sin. By the compassion of the Lord, you have already got that monkey's kingdom. Duratma, Papa, you are the most evil. And Kritam chet na atijani se Ragavasya Mahatmana Kritam. What is done by Rama? What you are not even aware of that. And thing is, if you are now conveniently forgetting what Rama has done to you, Sadhyahatvam of Mahatmanaha Nishidaihi Banehi Hatahataha, you become one who will be destroyed by the arrows of Rama. And I wish you all the best. You will see Vali very soon. Valinam Drakshasi. You will very soon see Vali. In other words, what? You will be packed up and sent, FedExed to Vali now. It is said that FedEx and UPS, they joined at some point of time to become one single carrier instead of two different, companies. What is the new name they give? Fed up. So you also will Given up, you will be given up by Bhagavan, and you will see very soon Vali. Because the path in which Vali went is not even closed. Nacha Sankujitaha Panta. The path or road through which Vali has traveled is still open. Na Sankujita, not closed. Yena Vali Hatogataha. In which path Vali has reached his own death. So therefore, Sugriva Samaye Tishta, stand by your time. Ma Vali Padam Anvagaha, do not go by the way Vali went. And warning you now. And Naha Nanunam Ikshvagu Varasya Karmukat Sharamscha Tan Pashyasi. Vajrasanniban Karmukat Sharan Chatan Napashyasi Nunam. Indeed, have you not seen the arrows which are like that of the diamond, Vajrasanniban, equal to that of diamond, sharp, the arrows that are coming out of Karmukat from the very bow of Sri Rama known as Karmuka. Ikshvagu Varasya Ramasya Karmukat Saran Vajrasanniban Tan Nunam Pashyasi. You have not seen this? And in the name of joy, Sukam Nama, Nishevase Sukhi Tata. You are not just indulging in the name of happiness and joy, you're indulging continuously. Na Ramakaryam Manasa Avekshase. You don't even see in your mind also Ramakaryam, Ramasya Karyam, what is to be done for Rama. Indeed, it's a great teaching for all of us also. Bhagavan se itna hum lete hain. We are taking so much from the Lord, His own creation. What are we giving back to the creation? How are we protecting this creation? How are we taking care of His own living beings? We have not done. That's why, we suffer out of this very, very heinous act of ingratitude. They destroyed the nature, destroyed the animals, destroyed the forest, destroyed the natural resources, destroyed the atmosphere, and still expect Bhagavan to be happy with us. Obviously, we have to suffer, and the next generation is going to suffer more. At least we have drinking water. That won't be there. At least we can breathe air still today. That won't be there. We have already come to a point in Delhi and all, they have closed the schools. Why? Can't they breathe? Can you just believe that? Have you ever thought that a condition will come where people cannot go outside their house because the air you cannot breathe that air? It's already come to that point. And what is going to be there? If this is the condition today, if we do not do anything further, it's going to happen in LA or New York or Chicago or anywhere else. It will happen the same way. You cannot breathe. Wear the mask. Not now, already wear mask. Now you have to gas mask also. Oxygen cylinder behind you. Like aeronauts, we have to go. Nobody can kiss anybody. Even now that is bad. What a tragedy it is. Ityarshe Srimad Ramayane Valmiki Adikave Kishkindha Kande Trimsha Sarga 34. Now, this way, when Lakshmana was scolding left and right Sugriva was speechless. What can he do? He has to accept that he has made a mistake. It is interesting. Tara defends him again. Tara is very poor thing, she's saying, don't shout at him, please. After all, he made a mistake, so what? What, so what? That's why all the women folk, somehow they go on defending. It is said that, when one lady was asked, when your why your son is making mistake, you are able to forgive him immediately. When your husband is making mistake, you are not forgiving him easily. Why? She said he's from the other house, other family, not my family, other family. But Tara is not like that. Tara is defending his wife, her husband also. Not even her husband. It is actually husband's brother, his brother-in-law only. But he says, no, don't shout at him. Tata bruvanam saumit. I'm using it. Tata bruvanam saumitrim
Tata bruvanam saumitrim
pradiptam iva tejasa
pradiptamiva tejasa
abravit lakshmanam tara
abravit lakshmanam tara
ताराधिपनिबानना
ताराधिपनिभानना
नैवं लक्ष्मण वक्तव्यो
नैवं लक्ष्मण वक्तव्यो
नायं परुषमर्हति
नायं परुषमर्हति
हरीणामीश्वर श्रोतुम्
हरीणामीश्वर श्रोतुम्
तव वक्त्रात् विशेषतः
तव वक्त्राद्विशेषतः
नैवा कृतज्ञः सुग्रीवो
नैवा कृतज्ञः सुग्रीवो
न शटो नापि दारुणः
न शटो नापि दारुणः
नैवानृतकरो नैवानृतकथो वीर
नैवानृतकथो वीरा
न जिह्मश्च कपीश्वरः
न जिह्मश्च कपीश्वरः
उपकारकृतं वीरो
उपकारं कृतं वीरो
कारं कृतम् ओके नाप्ययं विस्मृतः कपिः
नाप्ययं विस्मृतः कपिः
रामेण वीरसुग्रीवो
रामेण वीरसुग्रीवो
यदन्यैर्दुष्करं रणे
यदन्यैर्दुष्करं रणे
सौमित्री प्रदीपमिव तेजसा तथा ब्रुवाणं Saumitrim to that very son of Sumitra, Pradiptamiva Tejasa, with the brilliance of that of the fire, Tata Bruvanam, as he was speaking, Tara Lakshmanam Abravid. She addressed him, Tara addressed him, Lakshmana, and Tara is really Tara because Tara Adipanibanana, her face, Anana's face. Her face was like that of the moon. Tara Adipa. Niba Sama. So her face was shining like that of the moon. So she said, "Hey Lakshmana, na evam vaktumarhati." He is not subject to be humiliated by this way. Nayam parusham. Not this kind of words which are harsh. He is the king of all the monkeys. Harinam Ishvara. Tava Vaktrat Visheshatah Shrotum na harati. From your own mouth, this kind of harsh words, he is not fit. He doesn't deserve to be like this. He is not Akridajna. Please do not understand him as one ungrateful one, Sugriva. Na Shataha. He is not fool. Abhi Darunaha. He is not even a person who is cruel. No. Na eva anruta kataha. Not that he gave a false word. Ye vira. Na jihma. Not a deceitful. Kapishwaraha. Not a deceitful leader of the monkeys. Kapihi na vismrutam. Ayam kapihi na vismrutaha. Is not forgotten. Upakara kritam na ayam vismrutaha kapihi. He is not forgotten what he has received from Rama. Ramena kritam. Yed annai dushkritam rane Ramena kritam. See, indeed, nobody else could do what Rama has done to him. Anyehi dushkaram rane. In the battlefield, it is impossible for anyone to conquer Vali. And that is done by Rama. So, therefore, please understand, Dushkaram, that is most difficult to get this kingdom from Vali, that is been gotten by Rama to Sugriva, and he is not unaware of this. So, in other words, saying that, mistakes should be forgiven. Even if it is a friend, even if it is done by somebody who has forgotten one's own gratitude, should be definitely forgiven. The how, that we'll see in the next class. Aganid, now today Nandita will sing the last part.
There you go.
Aganita guna
अगणित गुण गण भूषण रामा आश्रित वत्सल जय जय रामा अयोध्यवासी सीतारामा आपद बांधव जय जय रामा दशरथ वंदन श्री रामा दशमुख मर्दन जय जय रामा कौसल्या सुखवर्धन रामा कामित फलदा जय जय रामा पाप विमोचन जय रामा पटाभिरामा जय जय रामा जानकी वल्लभ सीता रामा जय रघुरामा जय सिया रामा वानर सेवित श्री रामा वारिधि वंदन जय जय रामा हनुमत पूजित सीता रामा श्री राम जय जय रामा रघुपति राघव राजा रामा पतित पावन सीता रामा श्री राम जय जय रामा श्री राम जय जय रामा
सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय।